That's what you call the
Yeah, I got it. Good.
You're looking at me.
Hi, mommy caught a shark. Look at this shark. Oh. You gonna take a picture instead?
It's a catfish. Holy smokes! You gotta be kidding me, man.
Give him a kiss. No, literally, you gotta give him a kiss.
Good job, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Don't let him fall back in the water.
I'll do anything to get a fish in the boat.
Bring it in, baby.
Yeah. Got that on film.
He's got it. He's got it. I got it, baby! I'm gonna reel it in! Nomás te vi.
Okay. First one. Oh, yes, yes. No. Oh my gosh! That is the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life.
All right. Nice fish, Manny.
Thanks a lot.
Oh, slapped him.
No, I didn't.
Slap him. He's down. 1, 2. Oh, he's back up. Cheek. Oh, owie. Oh, he's going down again.
Live bait. We got an 80 and a, what do you say, a 28, an 80? 80 and a 30. By the time it just, the halibut just took the bear. Thank you. It's gone. Halibut just swallowed the beer.
I got y'all. Woo!
I think I have scales in my leg.
Oh!
Do you see this?
Yes! Oh! Holy moly, that one's huge!
That was a bear!
Yep, I'm getting a video.
Ruby! Oh!
Swim.
He's got it. He's got it.
Oh my god! Oh my! Get that bugger!
Oh, I get it.
Hey.
There you go. That's the way you crank on it. Hey, okay, now just take your time. Take your time. It's all right. You're okay. Let go of it. Don't let go of it. Don't let go of it.
Daddy, please don't let
You're
me.
okay. You're okay. Shh, shh.
The old man can't hang while he's fishing. Dad, you got a bite!
To feed the horses, but I think the horses are feeding themselves. When I take my cat to the beach. Tom, stand up. He's alive. We just buried him.
See the doggy?
On the water lines so that we can, when we do the repair, it has to be dry.
Come on, do it again, buddy. All right, get up, bud.
Come on, get up.
I'm kidding, but like not.
Joey! Hold on, Joey! Look for the camera!
Easy now, because he'll take off. Oh, you're so pretty. Are you
He's gonna spray on you.
Spray? Oh, Jackson! Oh my God! You literally rescued him. Watch that man. Watch him. Oh, you dropped.